Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome back to Fashion Box channel. In today's video I am going to show you neck designs in this party wear dress. These are neck designs shown in this video, and the neck designs are of mermaid dresses, maxis, party wear dresses. I hope you guys like these designs. Western style top neck designs, open shirts, western style neck designs are shown in this video. Formal and casual, both type of dresses are shown. Single color as well as multicolor gowns, both are shown. Very unique and stylish, trendy designs of mermaid dresses, prom dresses, beautiful frock design, western style are in this video. So don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed my channel, and also hit the bell icon. And a lot of new neck designs are shown in this video, so don't skip any part of this video. In this channel you are going to share beautiful designs from fashion all over the world related to mermaid dresses, prom dresses, Christmas dresses, prom dresses, girls designs, winter dresses, brands, all sale related updates and reviews, jewelry designs, and a lot of stuff more than this. If you have not watched my channel, give it a good look and you will like the videos and also the channel. And if you like the video, kindly like it and give me a comment about how was the video and what should be my next video topic.